In this video, we will see how quickly you can record an indirect expense. Go to New Supplier Payments. Select the type of expense, like cash, check or online. Select the date of payment. This is the transaction date. Select the party, whom payment was made. Select the expense type, say wages. Enter payment amount. Again select the payment date. Enter special remarks if any. Click Save. That's all. A payment voucher is generated. We will do another entry here for salary, to another party. We will now see the expenses report. You can select the dates, expense type filters. The advantage in simpliRP is expenses reports show by type of expense and the party name as well. Filtering by party name will show how much is specifically spent on a particular party and type of expense as well. You can click on the transaction ID and view the payment voucher too. simpliRP is the simplest way to manage your accounts department. Thank you.